Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another tutorial of Primavera P6. Up till now we have seen that how we create a new project in Primavera P6. In this video we will gonna learn that what is an EPS, how we create a simple EPS in Primavera P6. But before starting my video I will request you to subscribe my channel and like this video and share it. Now let us move towards our video. Now talking about EPS. What is EPS? EPS stands for Enterprise Project Structure. In Primavera, you are whenever you are going to plan a project, it is further subdivided into a number of projects. For example, if I say that if the construction of a house is a project, then in the construction of the house there will be many mini projects in that. For example, the layout of foundations, for making of drawings, hiring a contractor or a consultant, so etc. So there are number of sub projects in a little project. So when we divide a project into number of little projects and then arrange them in a hierarchical view, it is called an EPS. Now let us see an example of an EPS. For to create an EPS or see an EPS of your already entered projects, you will simply go to Enterprise and click on Enterprise Project Structure. From here, now currently you are seeing a graph of EPS. If you double click on it, you will be seeing in a zoom way. Now if you click on display and here if you click on table view, then what would you see? You would see an EPS ID and an EPS name. The thing you see here, enterprise project ID and the project name. So if you see that we have one level of enterprise, it is on our level 1, then we have level 2, then we have the level 3. But here we are seeing only one level. If I click on this, now what you see? You see that under the enterprise we have three different projects. One is all initiatives is the EPS name, and then engineering and construction, energy services and manufacturers. So it is our level 1, it is our you can say that main project. Then we have the sub projects of these three. Similarly, we have this, we have this, and we have this. Now how we create a simple EPS? First of all, for example, I just wanted to create a simple EPS. I will simply click on here. I simply click on it has named it as new EPS. So what I wanted to do, I want to construct a house. For example, its ID is H and I gave it the name as house construction. Okay, so my EPS, if I double click here, now my EPS is saved. Now if you see that we have the EPS under the main enterprise, but we wanted what that we want to create a separate EPS for our own projects. These projects are not related to this EPS. So what we will do, we will use the indentation. If you see here, you have the four arrows. One is shift up, shift down, shift right and shift left. If I click on this, shift left, and if I one time more click on it, shift. So now you can see that my project of house construction is separated from the whole EPS that was created above. You can also delete the above EPS as well by clicking on simple, and then you can simply click on this and it will simply delete the whole project. So it this project contain many sub projects, so it is taking a bit time. So you can see that it is creating the whole project from here as well. Now what you see that the EPS we the projects we have deleted, it has been completely removed, and the EPS we have added manually of house construction is separated from all the above levels. Now it is in our level 1. Now what I want there should be three mini projects sub projects in this project. I would add three EPS here, and for example I would change don't I do not change the IDs. you can keep the IDs whatever you want. I simply click on here and give it the name as foundation foundation plan, and then here I simply change it to as hiring contractor, and here I simply change it to, for example, making drawings. There are number of projects. We will see in details all the projects when we have learned the Primavera P6 completely. Then we will do complete 3 to 4 projects in Primavera P6 so that you will have a great understanding of this. Now, if you see that here, our main project is house construction, and under the house construction we have 3 mini projects. And then again, if I click on here, I again click on add, and here I add one more project of layout, and again I simply click on add, and here I simply click on execution. Now what I do, I simply click on shift right and click on shift right. Now what you see here, that I have the one project of house construction. Underneath, we have 3 mini projects, which is foundation plans, hiring contractor, and making drawings. And then under the foundation plan, we have 2 more mini projects, which is the execution and the layout. You can change the order as well from moving up or down as you want it to. No, you can separate different levels. For example, this is our level 1, this is our level 2, this is our level 3 by different colors as well. Now, if you see that we have created a main project, we have the main project of house construction. Underneath, we have the level 2, which consists of 3 mini projects. One is foundation plan, second is hiring contractor, third is making drawings. Now, in the foundation plan, I have again 2 mini projects, which is execution and layout plan. In this way, you would simply create an EPS, and then if I go and check a chart view, so you can see that this is the EPS of our already entered projects, and this is the EPS of the project which we have created now, which is the house construction. And in this box, if I talk about, then this box contains first name contains the EPS ID, then the EPS name, and the responsible manager. Up till now we did not assign any responsible manager for the project, but we will see in the upcoming videos that who is a responsible manager, and for what projects how we assign responsible manager in Primavera P6. So this was the process that how we create a simple EPS. Now if you want to simply print the EPS, you can simply go to print preview, and then take a print it as a PDF. But we will take practical of printing APS and all other OBS and WBS, after which we have a complete understanding of Primavera P6 and these functions. In the end, when we will start our example projects, 3 to 4 projects we will see. Then we will see that how we properly print our work, and then send it to our clients, or into submit to our company. I hope this video was very understandable to you. If you have any queries, you can simply comment below the video, or you can simply email me, which will be provided in the description.